age. We'll discuss about age, and you see how the difference is coming in quantitative aptitude. It is a very simple way to calculate different things. And you see, if the current age is x, then n times the age is n into x. If current age is suppose 10, so 5 times the age is 5 into 10, that is 50, like that. If the current age is x, then age n years later age is x plus n. That means if the current age is 10, then age 5 years later, so it is 15. If the current age is x, then age n years ago means n years past, that is x minus n. Suppose if the current age is suppose 50, then age 15 years ago means 50 minus 15, that is 35. Similarly, the age in a ratio age to b will be ax and bx. Suppose one ratio is 2 is to 3, and it can be 4 is to 6, it can be 10 is to 15, like that. So it is ax and bx if age in a ratio a is to b. If the current age is x, then 1 by n of the age is x by n. One question: the sum of the present ages of a father and his son is 60 years. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. After 6 years, son's age will be how much? Let present age of son is x. Let present age of son is x. Hence, father's present age is 60 minus x, because the question given, the sum of the present age of a father and his son is 60. Addition is 60. So, if the present age of son is x, then father's present age is 60 minus x. Then according to question, 60 minus x minus 6 is equal to 5 into x minus 6. Why? 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. It was given. So, according to question, 60 minus x minus 6 is equal to 5 times x minus 6. So, we have to simplify this. So, 54 minus x is equal to 5x minus 30. This implies 6x is equal to 84. So, x is equal to 14. Son's age after 6 years will be, so 14 plus 6 is 20, because the question is after 6 years son's age will be how much? That is 20. One next question I am explaining. The age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. 10 years hence, father's age will be twice that of his son. The ratio of their present age is how much? See, the age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. So, let the age of son and father 10 years ago be x and 3x, not present age. 10 years ago, it is x and 3x. So, as per question, x plus 10 is equal to 2 into x plus 10 plus 10. Why? What it tells, the age of father 10 years ago means present age is, let the age of son and father 10 years ago be x and 3x. So, present age is x plus 10 and 3x plus 10. And given 10 years hence means after 10 years, father's age will be twice that of his son. That means 3x plus 10 present age plus 10 means after equal to twice means 2 times x plus 10 plus 10. This you can derive and you can simplify. This implies 3x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 40. That implies x is equal to 20. So required ratio That means 3x plus 10 is to x plus 10. That means 3x, if x is equal to 20, 3x means 60, 60 plus 1, 10 is equal to 70, and x plus 10 means 20 plus 10, it is 30. So 70 is to 30, that is 7 is to 3. So this is the ratio of their present age. So the ratio of their present age is 7 is to 3. Okay, next question, third question I will discuss. The present ages of three persons in proportions 4 is to 7 is to 9. You see proportion 4 is to 7 is to 9. 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was 56. Find their present age in years. Okay. So the present ages of three persons in proportion. That means if it is proportion, we can find, suppose one's age is 4x and one's is 7x and others 9x. So let the present ages be 4x, 7x and 9x. This you can consider because it is in proportion. Okay. It tells 8 years ago means 8 years past means 4x minus 8, 7x minus 8, 9x minus 8. 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was 56 means 4x minus 8 plus 7x minus 8 plus 9x minus 8 is equal to 56. This implies 20x is equal to 80 means x is equal to 4. So if x is equal to 4, so we can evaluate their ages. Their present age is 4x is equal to 16 and 7x is equal to 28 and 9x is equal to 36 respectively. Thank you.